Good morning, students. I hope you all are good. Let us start our civics class today and we will continue with our chapter Media, the mainstay of democracy. In the previous class, students, we did the meaning of media and the types of media, that is electronic and print media, and also the interdependence of technology and media on each other. And by media, we mean all the means of communication through which we get information. For example, radio, TV, cinema, newspaper, magazines, internet, etc. Students, today our topic will be role of money in media. And the learning outcomes for the same are the students will be able to explain the role of money in upgradation of technology by media. Students, as you already know, the technology keeps on improving and changing. TV channels need a lot of money to implement the technology and to change the technology in its newsroom. So, you will be able to explain the role of money in upgradation of technology by media. The second learning outcome is enlist the people involved in telecasting of news. In a newsroom, we see so many people involved in telecasting news. Besides newsreader, we see so many people like director, editor, cameraman, lightman, etc. So students, by the end of this session, you will be able to enlist the people involved in telecasting of news. The third learning outcome is the students will be able to state the role of advertisements as the biggest source of income for media. A lot of money is needed for all this, and from where does all this money comes to media? It is through advertisements that media earns money. So students, you will be able to state the role of advertisements as the biggest source of income for media. Students, money has an important role to play in media. Money is needed for technology betterment or improvement in technology, and technology has improved the audio visual facility of our इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया. बहुत सारी रिसर्च चल रही होती है, डेवलपमेंट चल रही है जिससे हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करती है. एंड टेक्नोलॉजी कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग एंड इम्प्रूविंग, एंड द मीडिया अपडेट्स इटसेल्फ विद टेक्नोलॉजी टू प्रोवाइड क्वालिटी सर्विस टू इट्स व्यूअर्स. मीडिया अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी को बेटर बनाती है ताकि अपने व्यूअर्स को इट शुड गिव क्वालिटी सर्विस. टू सेट अप अ न्यू स्टूडियो according to the latest technology, lot of money is needed. बेटा, एक न्यूज़ रूम स्टूडियो में बहुत सारे एक्सपेंसेस हो जाते हैं, लाइक एक्सपेंसिव इक्विपमेंट, कैमरास, कंप्यूटर चाहिए होता है, लाइट ट्रांसमीटर्स चाहिए होते हैं, रिकॉर्डर्स, रिसीवर्स. ऑल दीज कॉस्ट्स a great deal of money, and the changes in technology has helped media in reaching out to more people. बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों तक मीडिया पहुंच रहा है. मनी इज़ नीडेड टू सेट अप अ लेटेस्ट स्टूडियो विथ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. Students, how is it possible that a match which is going on in Australia we can see sitting in India? Children, through transmitters, the image and sound are received through satellite, and then receivers have to be installed in the new studio, and from their satellite send pictures and images and sound, and it reach people through TV. Children, a lot of expenses are involved in setting up of a new studio or inside a radio station with latest technology, and we need lot of money to do all this, and that is how TV channels provide us with good quality news about politics, social and economic issues, or about different cultures around the world. A lot of investment is needed to set up a new studio with latest machines, latest technology to give good quality sound and pictures. So here children, Now your first learning outcome has been achieved. Now you are able to explain the role of money in upgradation of technology by media. Children, to set up a newsroom or a studio of a TV channel, a lot of people are involved in telecasting of news to the people, namely director, editor, producer, cameraman, lightman, reporters, newsreaders, makeup artists, and lot more. So beta, we see it's not a one-man show, but there are a lot of people involved and they help in contributing in providing good quality entertainment programs and news to the people. So children, your second learning outcome has been achieved now and you are able to enlist the people involved in telecasting of news. Students, now the question is, how does media earn money to meet all these expenses? From where does media gets money to do all this expenditure? And the answer is advertisements. Advertisements are the biggest source of money for media. You must have noticed lot of advertisements when you see your favorite cartoon, a cricket match, or a movie, or your favorite serial. Advertisements can be of cars, clothes, mobile phones, etc. Every company tries its best to advertise or to show its brands on all channels. People are attracted towards the products and it creates a demand for the product. Even in newspapers, we can see full page ads. These TV channels charge huge amounts of money from these companies to give advertisements, and that is their biggest source of income for the media. Friends, we can have a look at some of the advertisements. Students, the advertisements tell us about the wonders of the product. A movie is stretched to 4 hours as one advertisement is followed by another. Many big companies do their investments in TV channels for their own interests. It's a big financial help to the media. The purpose of the big companies is to attract people towards their products and make people buy those products. Students, the TV channels earn money through advertisements which they give during different programs and they use it for improving the technology. The companies give money to the TV channels to show their advertisements, and the purpose of the advertisements is solved when the customer enters the shop and asks for their product. So students, we can see a lot of advertisements, whether it is a movie or a cricket match or some of your favorite entertainment program. So we can see advertisements after every half an hour or after every over. These TV channels earn a lot of money through advertisements. And your third learning outcome has been achieved. Now you will be able to state the role of advertisements as the biggest source of income for media. Students, with this, our session comes to an end, and now you will read the book carefully, listen to the video very carefully, and you will solve one Google form sheet which will come to you.